guys, it's Simply Acapella, and now we're going to be singing O Come All Ye Faithful.
O come all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. O come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Oh, come, let us adore. Let us adore. Let us adore. Oh, come, let us adore Him, Christ the Lord. Sing choirs of angels, sing in exaltation. Sing, all ye citizens of heaven above. Glory to God, glory in the highest. Oh, come, let us adore. Oh, come, let us adore. Let us adore. Oh, come, let us adore Him, Christ the Lord.
Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.